chest, your shoulder, and release. Now you're going to roll onto your backs for ring. Bring your knees in, lift your toes, and reach through with your fingers. Now open your legs nice and wide. You're going to bring your heels all the way to your hips, and then this time, toes up down. Lower your toes, and relax. Okay, come on to your other side. Rock yourself up, come on round. Same thing. Elbow under shoulder, shoulder, hips, ankles in line, knees are forward. So do you remember those levels? Hips down or hips come off. Let's feel it. We're just going to wiggle this waist away. Lift. Now just feel underneath. If you didn't do it last time, feel it now. Does that feel firm?